Welcome back from my morning report analysis videos on Friday the 21st of April with me, Rich Mail, analyst at Handset Markets, looking at Euro Dollar. Euro Dollar is basically a consolidation play that's coming in front of this French presidential election on Sunday. Yesterday's rather disappointing candle, though, that we saw a sort of drop of sort of 50 odd ticks into the close, came as a bit of a shock, really. This is the hourly chart. You can see that sell off into the close. And the market's basically consolidated since then, but certainly the technical legacy of that could be a negative one, really, because you could argue that's a shooting star, although you had a marginal close higher on the day. This, I think, basically is consolidating around that 107 mark now. 107 seems to be sort of a basis of support that we've had in the last few days, really. And that is holding 107, 107.10. That 107.10 mark was an old pivot line as well. So it seems to be the market is holding around that level in front of this French election. Just did Euro Yen earlier, and the Yen strengthening seems to be dragging on Euro Yen, and it's not really the Euro weakness. Euro is holding up about 7 to 10 ticks on the day higher. Momentum indicators sort of flattening off as the market sort of consolidates in front of this election, but certainly I think at the moment what we're seeing is the market just fairly quiet. I don't think you're going to get too much direction on the euro in front of this French election. So I think the euro is going to drive or sort of be driven by the outcome of this election on Monday. A Macron victory would be euro positive. Worst case scenario would be Le Pen and Mélenchon, and that would be euro negative certainly. And the market would suffer, I think, quite significantly on the back of that. But euro dollar at the moment holding up in front of this French election. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. I'll speak to you again later. Thank you.